Been spending too much time with Christian. We're going to revive a truck. Had to yank the good battery out of my F-150. Okay, buddy. There she is over there. I haven't been back here since my birthday. I whipped the greatest donut of my life in the S10. I don't know where he wants me to park this thing. Here, you take the phone, zoom her in back there, get a motion shot. There we go. Wait for it. I'm back after 2 years. Different man. Alright, since we're civilized and we're getting older and wiser, we brought our mobile. Well, you see, we can't use lawnmowers because we turned all the lawnmowers into racing machines. But he's got the old Massey with the sickle mower. Looks like he's gonna have to manually drop it down. We're gonna mow. Stretch even got the, or did he, oh, he didn't bring the weed eater? He's carrying, oh, okay, I thought he had a weed eater. We're gonna weed eat around her, but I guess while he does that, I can throw a battery in there. Oh, how old is she? 9 and 23, oh, we're good. And throw that in there. See if she doesn't want to live today. I got sandpaper in my pocket. I keep it in my wallet. See if I can't get the points going and pulverize this field. All right, let's go. Real rustic out here, huh? He's a professional. That doesn't look like death at all. Cowboy John. It's actually, that's Arthur up there. All right, don't hit the pickup trailer. Well, she's old school, like. Locks herself. This is AV8. 340 something cubic inch, I think. I don't know. 2-barrel. Let's see what we can't make happen. Oh, that's looks real safe. Real safe. You're down a light, bud. Oh, they're adjustable? Dang. Dang. It's pretty cool, actually. Need to set it in for my truck. All right. Boing. All right.
Smells just like it did.
Going hot.
PTO. Paid time off?
Paid time off. I don't even get that. All right. It's got electrical. John, does it have a horn? Does the horn work? That's critical. Windows work. That's good. We need the. It's right here. Has it got wires? Well.
It doesn't work.
Dang.
Oh, dang, it's out. Oh, CNN's gonna turn around and go home now.
Well, if there's extra wires. Okay, well, I guess we'll get it running. Then we drive it to the shop so we can fix the horn. That's the motivation. Meet by the end of the day. Or I'm not saying Bachman. Or is it good or not so good? McMurray.
Like, is there supposed to be resistance? Because there's none.
All right, no, quit pumping and I'll take the cap off and see what it looks like. See if it's slurping at all. We just filled that, but I forgot the camera because I'm. All right, so we brought a different spark plug to test sparks, so we don't have to pull a spark plug out of the motor. Big man, strong man. Oh, we reached for the same plug wire. We should kiss. Or not. I'm joking. Just joshing around. Okay. All right. I don't figure this is gonna have spark. What are you gonna ground it to? Is there anything that's clean? The old spark plug?
Well, we could do the other side and just ground to the ground.
Yeah, but that's all the way over there, man.
Well, there's a whole nother 4 cylinders over there, though.
Yeah. Here, just try grounding to the other plug. How's that shit work?
Hey, is this in neutral?
You're asking the important questions.
Because I'm standing. You know what? I'll just stand on the bumper.
Yeah, and then you go for a ride.
I go with it.
You see, if you put yourself in danger, it'll definitely start.
All right. Give her a try. You got spark.
Right on.
I seen it.
Right on.
I seen him. I seen him. Yep.
All right, so we got some sparkage.
Now, are the sparkulators that are in it Sparky. Sparky.
Well, let's find out with a little fuel then.
Okay.
Let me get the air cleaner off.
You talk me into it.
2-barrel Holly. Either we ain't getting fuel up here or we don't have an accelerator pump. So here's our accelerator pump. Brand new in the box, NOS. Let's see what that does.
Ready?
Yeah, give her a shot. No shot. No shot. What? 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 No way.
Bottom? Did you check that?
Hello?
Sounds pretty.
Well, the problem is it's on the passenger side.
Well,
You know. These tires are pretty killer. Hello? Here. I got our fuel system figured out. Ice Mountain. It's gonna run cold. Alright. We'll fill this with gas, punch a hole in this, and then I can squeeze her in a little bit more tactfully than dumping it in with a jug. Alright, so this is our new gas jug. It fits perfect. They want you to do this. He's even got the vent open. Okay, that's enough slices. Perfect. I put a new razor blade. One a month, man. You got a little wiener hole in there. Check out the spray action on this. It's like a Tomcat. Oh, it's still going. Okay, that should work. Coming, John?
yep.
I'm gonna give you a little. Here's your razzle.
I'll give the dazzle.
Come on, buddy. All right, I'm gonna work this out. Here. Let me try to fill the bowl.
Fuel gauge says empty.
Oh no. So either way, either the fuel gauge doesn't work or the tank's empty. Either way, that's bad. Can't happen. All right, let me try to fill the bowl here. Oh gosh, darn. All right, it's gonna be flooded, but the bowl might be full. All right, try it. Try it again.
Should we just go get some fuel?
Here. You got a choke rod in there. Pull the choke rod. Okay, I might have to disconnect it on this end. Or I can use my hand. I ask you again, you got any rigs?
No.
Is there anything in the truck? You're telling me, owning a fireworks stand, or owning a grain truck, you don't have no white rags, red rags, or an old t-shirt?
You're gonna stand there owning a fireworks stand and tell me you don't have no whistling bungholes, no spleen splitters, whisker biscuits, honky lighters, Husker do's, Husker don'ts, cherry bombs, nipsy daisers, with or without the scooter stick, or one single whistling kitty chaser?
I'll come up with something. I'll rip my underwear off of that. What about a paper towel in here? Well, my hand is the choke now. All right, I might lose both of my good hands. It backfires. Yeah, try it. I don't know if that helps or not. It's pulling air though. All right, give it a pump and let me see if it's squirting. I don't think you got an accelerator pump, bud. All right. I think I might have killed it that time. Go again. Alright, I'm gonna hold it wide open and crank. Maybe we don't got fuel now. Or the points have gotten dirty now that they've spun. Is a real possibility. I'm gonna give her just a little dose of fuel. By a dose, I mean a lot. Now try it. twice the amount, calculated amount of fuel. Got some oil pressure.
All right.
Hello? Nobody's home. Lights aren't even on. Door's locked. Farmer John over here. Alright, so it ran. Battery's still in it. I wonder if it's charging. I don't know, it's a pretty good battery though. Alright, we gotta run back to his house. Get something coolant-wise, water-wise for the old gal. Then we're gonna try to drive it. You're missing an overflow tank. I think that's why this truck was parked.
Yep.
You think you wash these jugs out after he's done drinking the milk?
Definitely. Well, Grandma did.
Thank you, Dolores. See, you guys, that's the original Dolores. Not the Derby car. Caleb, is your tank full? Like, your personal tank? Like, you gotta pee? We might.
No, I done empty.
Well, we might need it. We might make it actually.
Yes, let me drink some waters.
Well, this thing needs the water. Here, get the ice cubes out the cooler. Oh, I can see the level.
That's good.
That's good. One less thing. Oh, how much rust is supposed to be in a radiator? It's got some.
Oh, that's not bad. At least it's not brown.
Yeah, because it was too empty to be brown. All right, go fire it up and let's see if it circulates or spits out at me or does anything. All right, let me replace. All right, the structural screwdriver's there. All right, dude. In a little,
We'll just
little
open
Tupperware.
this up.
What year are we? Oh, Progressive. That looks pretty modern, actually. When she last registered?
License plate says 2008. So
Safety inspected.
Yeah, but
2009.
we used it a couple, or
When was she registered?
effective date is 10/27/2020.
Oh, well,
It was good till 21.
good till 21.
That's a good year.
Good year, man. We graduated high school, became adults, kind of. All right, see if my set idle works now. All right, let's rock. We go. All right, added another structural strap to my battery. It's idling kind of funny, but you know, whatever. Locker. I don't think that one locks. All right, let's see if she moves. Let me get up on my podium here. She sank down in the hole a little bit. She's in lower range on the 2-speed, I think. Stuck in low range, that is. There she goes, yeah! Nice. All right, I need to go catch up with him. So the brakes aren't so good, huh?
The speedometer cable works.
It's more than your car can say, John.
Yeah, I know.
Door works. It's more than my F-250 can say.
Oh my god.
What did he say? It was just hopping all over the place. I said maybe it doesn't work.
Oh no, it works. We gained more oil pressure than when we first started. Hold on! Where are we?
The cruiser.
So, are we gonna try to fix the brakes or just pray?
What are we doing now? I didn't think we'd make it this far.
Neither did I.
Well,
When we started this, our goal was just the horn.
Oh yeah, we gotta fix
Now
the
we
horn
don't even
now.
have a horn.
Well,
dang it.
Nobody's running.
Is this the?
Yeah.
I can make it. You got any?
wait, did we change it over to a push button?
You got any wire? I'll wire it up. Are we going to the house or
Well,
what?
the brakes kind of work.
Oh!
Ow!
Oh! Well, we're gonna go for a road test then? Oh shit! This is a private track.
They can't pull us over.
How many gears you got?
I think it's a 4-speed.
Because some of them are 5, I think.
Oh, dang, these are yours? These are Roman candles, brother. This is good stuff.
See some rig.
It smells like my
Smells like
blue truck.
Smells like burning rat shit. Got a nice headliner in it though.
I wouldn't do that too much.
I do what I please. Oh, we got wing winders? Most of a mirror? Have you ever driven this truck before, Caleb? Nope. Oh, well, you're doing pretty good then. What we got out here? Unknown fluid? Oh, dang. Got a spare window crank, man. But yours got
Oh,
one.
I pulled it out of the hole in second gear.
Nice. I wondered, it's just kind of luggy. All right, this would be a great place to work on the brakes. Oh wait, we don't need to work on the horn. Work on the horn. Yeah.
My tools are here.
Good. And now the truck's here. Can't really see it. Oh yeah, she's a little smoky. The battery's doing good though. Proud of you. Dunk, dunk,
Hang on. Everybody
Dunk.
stand by the truck.
dunk. Okay. I found some keycaps. Don't you hesitate me, boy. You're sitting in your own shit box. What's wrong with you? Crusty is.
Stealing the orange one.
Okay.
You got the air conditioner on.
What? AC?
Can't work.
Too nice. Focus. Nice. All right, I need a piece of wire. We need to make this horn work. It's not so good, Clark. What do you got for lights? Anything?
No.
Nothing?
Not a.
Caleb, you got a lemon here, buddy.
What'd you say?
I said it's a nice truck.
That's what
Yep. I think it's supposed to ground to the body of it. Well, where do you go?
Over here.
I'll be danged. Couldn't find any wire in Patrick's new shop, but I did find Caleb's leads to his multimeter. So I'm gonna try to use them to jump us some power directly to the horn. but this isn't really gonna be easy. Alright, this is what you need. What is it? Okay, let me see this. What is this? Oh, this is temperature probe?
I don't know.
That's a temperature probe. Well, it's just because sticking this end directly on the battery isn't going to make it a great contact. Here, this will work. I figured on her. All right, you hold your end. Hold your end on there. Hold my end on there. And I'll tap this on the positive. Oh, I got it. This doesn't have
3 hands for this.
need 3 hands for a lot of things. All right. Yeah! Yeah! This is just the wiring of the cab.
So
I just got to stay out here the whole time.
No.
Run a wire into a switch in the cab.
Let's just go to the shop.
Okay.
We might have some switches, some
switches and a roll of wire, yeah. Okay.
and a roll of
Road
wire.
trip to the shop. Setting records. All right. Now, in a week, I'm going to graduate from State Technical College of Missouri's Auto Collision Program. And I'm going to show you the application of that knowledge. Yeah. Oh, dude. I'm telling you, man. Apply today.
Good.
Send me an invoice. It'll be all right. See? Don't worry about the big low spot, but this is better. Call me. You think it'll start now? Like a dream. Let's get the
Brakes are starting to come around.
That's good. How? I'll trust that with my life. Is that second gear?
Yeah.
First is a little tricky.
We're gonna have to get the 2-speed axle working.
Is it just linkage broke or what?
I don't. It's got to be some kind of like a. I told you the brakes started working.
It worked better than good. Now's the starter one. Oh, she's good. Head out on the open road. John's cowboy in the open road.
Okay, hold on.
That was NASCAR level stuff right there. When we get back, I want a bottle of water. Bug. All right, go for it. That's badass. All right. What? John driving your truck?
I just never
Seen it or heard it?
Yeah. Well, you got the antenna.
Oh.
It's all hooked up.
we got ashtray?
Oh, we have to start smoking.
I don't know. I was thinking about it. What are we gonna smoke? Cowboy Killers, Newports.
I gotta do
Little cigars?
Stick with the family and go for Marlboro Golds.
That's a pretty good choice. Oh,
I told you.
It's the thing about drums, man. When they work, they work. Is that what this is? Is this all juice breaks or?
Probably.
Oh, well, then you don't need a CDL. So is the goal just fix the horn or what? Because we don't have anything else to do.
I guess.
Oh, and maybe the 2-speed.
It's still got the lights on.
Oh, my bad, pimp.
My amps go down whenever I turn them on.
See, I guess it's charging.
I would hope so.
We've never checked it with an alternator. I mean, it's a good battery, but I don't know.
Well, now what?
Got a horn, man. Need a push button or a switch or something. So that when we pull up.
Oh, the brakes are mint now.
I guess it just got the air out of them. I wonder if it has a leak somewhere that it loses fluid.
Probably.
And it didn't diesel or nothing, so.
Oh, my handle's fine.
Mine's not so good either. It's a good. Sure. Alright, door's good. Alright, we're gonna celebrate our victory with some mixed drinks here.
Should have brought the blue one along so we could make purple drink.
Make lean.
Not a victory yet.
Till the horn works?
Tell the horn.
Well, I made it
Till
work.
Your
dad cracks me up.
Till we can get it to work inside the house.
Inside the cab is the goal. Well, we just need a longer wire. Cheers. That's good, John.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Schuler, shout out. Thank you for teaching me electrical.
Well, we accomplished our mission.
Well, let's hit the road. If
Now
something's,
what do we do?
let's hit the road. If something's gonna happen, it's gonna happen out there. So.
I don't have enough fuel.
You don't have any more gas?
Man, I don't know. I don't really want to drive down to the gas station.
No.
That's too far.
Well, we got
Although
gas
it'd
at my
be-
house. We can zip to my house and get some gas and dump it in here.
I'll just pay your dad.
But your pay is by drawing me back home. What? Well, you see,
Drive to my house.
no. You keep me coming back to Perryville,
Oh.
so they get to see me, right? Yeah. We're scrounging for fuel to try to make it to my house. John's got just a Scotian there. Caleb's looking for another jug. And I'm saying we can water it down a little diesel, a little alcohol. Surely this thing doesn't care.
None.
None?
None.
Well, do we just like
So we're
big dick
just-
it and try it?
We're gonna just go.
Okay, I make that deal. All right, I'm gonna go skiing. All right, now Caleb, you gotta drive for economy if we're gonna make it.
So, put the pedal all the way down.
If you drive faster, we'll get there faster and we won't run out of gas. It'd be cooler if we could see out the rear glass, but.
It'd be cooler if there was a mirror on that side.
There is, right?
I cannot see shit out of that fucking mirror.
We'll just drive down through the yard.
Well, I can't adjust it, so.
Well, can you look out the window and fucking tell me where I'm going?
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Bam!
You're good. You're good.
Truck coming.
Yeah.
I've been groped. Might have to shut her down on the downhill slopes. Conserve.
Yeah, but it's starting it back up.
Well, I might use more fuel, yeah.
Should put it in neutral.
I do that math 150. Sometimes my El Camino shuts off when you go downhill. So it's
Feel sad. We're going to Neil's house. Neil? Neil who? Fuck. Hey, if I can make it from my house to your house on a mini bike, we're in a road vehicle here.
That probably gets a lot better mileage now.
Yeah, but it's like the principle of it, you know. What did Lloyd say? Or one of the two Dumb and Dumbers. They swapped out a mini bike for a mini bike.
Oh, yeah.
How much did he say he got for fuel on it? It was like 40 to 50 miles a gallon.
Get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
I'll do it if you don't want to. That's hella far away. Don't die, John. That's your drink. That's my drink. Thanks, John. Alright, well, we might run out of gas, but we'll be hydrated. The cows are looking at you. I really hope he's standing out here. Did he get? Oh no, I thought he was in side by side. Alright, give her hell, snowman. Well, I'm always got the better on it. I'm another truck driving mother. Look at me. Well, at least I can keep up with you on the mini bike in this. Dude, I didn't even have like I had maybe a half a gallon of fuel that I dumped in here. You know, they put in Georgia overdrive? What? That's what I said. I put it in neutral, see what we can get up to. I'm still glad I fixed the horn. We're gonna fucking blow a tire and just go straight. God, rev it up. That's. Alright, we're pulling in my driveway. I think Dad's home. I love it. The wires spark every time.
At this point, we decided the most important, critical thing that we could do was spray paint the emblem, because it was all faded out, and you just can't have that on a rig as nice as this. No spray booth or nothing. Let's see if I don't fat finger it.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully it didn't bleed through at all, because I got it on kind of wet on that second coat. Chip Foose, eat your heart out.
Who the fuck is that?
He makes SEMA cars. Some of them are cool. Some of them aren't. Oh, that one looks good. We kind of have to do the black now, Caleb.
I'm not saying we don't.
Oh.
Caleb, go sit in this.
We're busy, John.
Oh, I didn't realize you were recording.
This is like the most critical moment of the video, dude.
Oh my god, it looks so good. It's beautiful. Dude, it's so... I mean, we should have done it before and after.
I have a picture of it. Or no.
Oh, do you?
Well, I can go through the video. Dude, that looks good.
It does. Dude, it spruces everything up. Oh my god. Dude, you can't. No, nobody cares. At the overspray.
Well, it makes the black pop more now.
But, I mean, we already did the red.
All that time and money. Teaching Caleb the body work here. I'll give him an honorary degree. Should have scuffed it all first, but I didn't think about it. See, that's what you get for not making a plan. Restored the emblem. On video, it looks like perfect. So at this point, we drove the grain truck back to Caleb's house without issue. We dumped some gas in it, like 5 gallons or something, and just drove home like it'd been parked yesterday. So there really wasn't much more for this episode. But if you guys will stay tuned, I got another video in the works. Caleb and I spent a little bit of time, and we put a stack on this bad unit. So stay tuned and check that out. Thank you all for watching. God bless.